Now, we're getting a hands-on look at the earbuds and their retail packaging and what appears to be a set of LED strips on the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro will become official on July 10th at the company's big Unpacked unveiling event in Paris. STEM-style earbuds are generally instantly branded as knocking off Apple's design, since the original AirPods were the first to employ such a look. The Galaxy Buds 3 shown in these images seem to be different enough. This confirms the earbuds can last up to 6 hours on a single charge. It isn't clear whether this is with ANC on or off. There will also be fast charging support, where a 10-minute quick charge can offer 1 hour of playtime. The Galaxy Buds 3 will offer a sweat and water resistance rating and adjustable secure fit ear hooks. There will be the ability to control music and calls. Buds 3 will also offer 24-bit audio at up to 96 kHz. The earbuds come with adapted EQ and an IP57 rating. The Buds 3 are tipped to arrive with a single driver audio setup with Bluetooth 5.3. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.